look at you, you're working so hard. You're bringing in pollen.
Hey everybody, it's David Miri from nesh-ee-KAH.com. We are doing our second in the series of quarantine hive inspections. We're quarantined, the bees are not.
The bees are
They're
not.
free to go. Enjoying our program already in progress. We had great fears for this particular hive that we saw a lot of dead bees outside, and we thought it was stricken with the virus or some other illness. Not corona, not C19. Bees have their own issues and viruses. You should know, for all of you playing along at home, the home version of the game, these are very happy honeybees. And we are happy that they're happy. Look close. You can see who's bringing home the pollen. Look at this one here. It's like having cargo pants, that they're just stuffed with pollen and nectar. See, there's another one there. And that's the pollen the bees are bringing back from the trees and plants out there in the fields below us.
They're not really air vents, they're smell vents. So the bees will smell, get accustomed to each other's smell that way. You're good, you're good. Okay, move it this way, toward the front.
Yep.
This one on top of it for the moment. It's got a feeder on it. And we're gonna go find a couple frames of brood and put them in here. And then these girls will be able to make their own queen and support it. Awesome. We'll be back over here, but not for a little while.
We'll be back after a break
It's a very
for our sponsor, the bees.
Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, alright, alright. Okay, okay, okay. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.